In this video I will discuss about how I grow my nails faster in just 3 days. Magic tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing with you my top 3 magic tips to help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Trust me, these tips are game changers, and you won't believe the results. First up, let's talk about vitamins. While they won't speed up your nail growth directly, they'll make your nails stronger and healthier. You can find these in supplement form or by incorporating more natural foods into your diet. I recommend taking a biotin supplement for stronger nails. Next, let's focus on hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and it helps keep your nails strong and healthy. Drinking more water can benefit the health of your nails and help them grow faster. So make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day. Lastly, we have food choices. Eating certain foods can help your nails grow faster and become stronger. I recommend steaming mussels or oysters, which are packed with zinc and calcium nutrients that promote healthy nail growth. And there you have it. These 3 magic tips will help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content like this one.